Student, I discussing about the speed control of DC motor by voltage control. Another method is series parallel armature control. This type of method of armature voltage control require two identical DC motor. Two identical DC motors coupled together mechanically to a common load. Remember that two identical DC motor coupled together mechanically to a common load. It is actually used for DC series motor. It can be used for shunt motor and compound motor. So here you have to remember that two identical DC motor couple together mechanical to a common load. First I draw a series motor connecting. This one is the series field, okay, motor armature. Now another terminals of motor armature connected second motor series motor and second motor last terminal connected to its series field and other side of series motor connected to voltage terminal side. Applying voltage here Vt. Both the motor here connected in series. So voltage across each motor Vt by 2. Here also Vt by 2. Okay. Now what should be the, this one is the schematic diagram, and what should be the machine diagram. If you are consider a two-pole machine, the machine diagram should be, suppose this is north pole, this is your armature, okay, this is your south pole, outer of first machine. This outer of first machine connected to second machine armature, again this is north pole and south pole, okay, second machine armature. Now this terminal goes to the north pole side, okay, field of second motor north side, now connected to south side, okay, and south side field terminals back to the terminal. So suppose this one is the current direction here. Okay. So this is the machine diagram. Now back to the operating principle. Here the back EMF of first motor, suppose ES, as they are identical motor. So back EMF of second motor taking ES. Both are connected in series. So ES is Vt by 2 and flux established by the current, suppose IL, here IL equals to I of AS. In series motor load current here equal to the armature current. So flux established by the current, flux established by the current is I of AS equal to IL. Now motor counter EMF EAS Vt by 2, that is equals to Ka phi into omega s. Suppose omega s is the angular speed in series condition. In this figure we say that I of AS is directly proportional to the field flux. Increasing the current, value of the flux would be increased. So we can write Vt by 2, that is equals to EAS equal to Ka I of AS into omega s, or we can write Ka IL into omega s. Okay. Now these two motor connecting in parallel. So second case, schematic diagram is, this is your terminal side. Okay. Another identical motor now connecting parallel. Here Vt is applied here, so that load current at now divide into two equal part, IL by 2 and IL by 2, and across voltage here, as both are connected parallel, is Vt. Okay, very simple. So each motor have equal amount of voltage. Each motor have equal amount of voltage, that is Vt. Now field established by the current is I L by 2. Okay, so that is your parallel side current taking I of AP. I of AP, this is also I of AP. Okay, now counter EMF E of AP at parallel condition, it is Ka I of AP into omega P. Omega P is the speed at parallel condition. So equating this one and these equations is nothing but, that is EAP divided by E of AS is Ka I AP omega P, Kas IAS omega S. Okay, so actually K cancel out, that is I of AP actually I L by 2, okay, into omega P, and here I of AS equal to IL omega S. Okay, now E of AS by E of AP is IL omega S, IL by 2 omega P. So IL omega S into 2 by IL omega P. IL cancel out, that is 2 of omega S by omega P. Okay, so if you are taking that the equation is 2 omega S by 2 omega P. Now omega EAS by EAP at EAS condition, that is terminal voltage is V2 by 2, at EAP condition terminal voltage VT, so 2 omega S by omega P. Okay, now from this we can write that omega P is 4 omega S. Omega P is 4 omega S. Omega P is 4 of omega S. So from this equation we conclude that in parallel condition the speed of motor is 4 times is equal to the 4 times of speed of motor in series condition. Now what should be the torque equation in series case? Suppose taking TES, so that should be Ka IL square. Okay, in parallel condition TEP, that is Ka IL by 2 square. Okay, now TEP by TES is IL by square by 4 divided by IL square, that is IL square by 4 into 1 by IL square, that is 1/4. Okay, so 4 TeP is equal to TES. So another equations is formed. So and now the torque will be 4 times parallel case, torque will be 4 times than the series connection. So this is the series parallel control of armature control. Student, if you have any problem, please contact with me. Thank you.